Alright guys, welcome back to Rob's Random Stuff here. It's the moment, maybe some of you have been waiting for it. I know I've been waiting for it. New Weber grill. Got some charcoal grill here. Got the Master Touch series. Got that in a limited edition slate blue, so it's kind of hard to tell there, but it's like a lighter blue. It's not the shine, it's not the high shine color that they have, so this is a few extra dollars, but I figure I'm gonna have it for a long time, so get the nicer color, get what I wanted. Not too big of a box. It's 48 pounds it says, so decently heavy. And I went ahead and ordered some pecan chunks, some hickory, just some apple chips from, we could do some pork chops or something. So I'm stocked up on wood, got plenty of charcoal. So you see the side of the box there. So we're gonna get this together. I'm not gonna bore you with me fumbling around putting it together. I'd imagine it's gonna take maybe a half hour or so. So we're gonna get this going, and we're gonna burn this in, and we'll get a quick cook on it and see how it goes. Stay tuned. It's going to be lots of good charcoal cooking this summer. Like and subscribe. Alright guys, welcome back. Just give you a quick update. I just took everything out of the box here. This is the color. Pretty nice. Everything's good. Did have a little issue. Slight crack, or not crack, but a dent. Hopefully you can see that. Right where my finger is, but I'll still put it together. Contact Weber. Maybe they'll send me another one. I'm not sure. We'll see. I don't think it's a big deal. Manuals. Looks good. Couple wheels. Here's your charcoal catch. Here's all the grates. Warming rack. Got your charcoal grates in there to hold the charcoal. So overall, it was really well packaged. Besides that little ding on the leg, there was a dent in the box. So we'll see. I'm pretty sure these wheels have covers, say Weber on them, or probably, yeah, there's a bunch of stuff inside there. So, all right, we're gonna put this together, and we'll heat this thing up and see how it looks when it's all put together. Remember, like and subscribe. Alright guys, we're back. Finally got the Master Touch put together. I think it took maybe 45 minutes. The legs were kind of a pain to get on, but other than that, not too bad. What do you think of this color? Nice. I'm liking it. Got your thermometer. The old Smoky Joe. Still going to use that from time to time. Got some nice wheels, little rack. Ash catcher. Let's see if you can show you this. This will just go back. And that stays up while you're cooking. So it's looking real good. Nice heavy duty grates. Your warming rack there. You can get things off the heat. You can put them up there too to keep them off the heat a bit. Slower cook. Yeah, this thing's looking real good. I like it a lot. Cover's nice and easy to pop that back down. Nice heat shield here on the handle. Keep it from getting too hot when you touch it. Plastic here, so you don't have to worry about burning your fingers. Nice little hanging rack here. Hang a couple things, spatulas, whatever. So yeah, Master Touch is looking good. Hope this color shows up. It's really bright out here. This is really nice color. Slate blue. It's like 30 bucks extra, but definitely worth it. This is a nice looking grill. Alright guys, like, subscribe. Can't wait to cook on this thing, so tune in for that. Get a little smoke going on Maybe do some pork chops or some wings or something for the first cook. But I'm gonna burn this in first. Give it about an hour and just crank the heat with some charcoal in there and burn everything out of the inside of the oils and things from the manufacturing. So yeah, it's looking good. All right, like, subscribe, leave some comments. Let me know what you want the first cook to be. Maybe we can, most votes for first cook, we'll get that going too. All right, we'll see you on the next cook. Stay random.